Welcome to Mini-Mindfulness with Alpha Dea. I'm Jennifer Norton, and this is session 3. Releasing the pressure valve. Some emotions can carry an especially strong energy. The mind becomes highly active and the body grows tense. This often happens when you're angry, anxious, or overwhelmed. In these moments, you can benefit from letting off some steam. You can use this exercise to relieve pressure in the moment and to bring some softness to your experience. Begin by closing the eyes and tuning in to the breath. Fill the chest completely and empty it smoothly and slowly. Take a few deep breaths like this, resting your attention on the rise and the fall of the chest. Recognize what you are feeling. In an effort to not own it completely or allow it to consume you, try to give it a name that evokes a little love. For example, if you're feeling angry, you may notice that Angry Sally is present. Or you can give it a name like Little Fred. This will help you separate yourself from the emotion while also encouraging you to deal with it from a place of sweetness. See if you can find a location in the body where the emotion is present. You may feel tightness in the chest, a pit in the stomach, or tension in the shoulders or the jaw. Instead of trying to rid yourself of that feeling, make space for it. Picture the emotion as a dense ball in this spot and allow it to spread out and make its way through the entire body. Keep some awareness on the breath to help stabilize you during this practice. Finally, breathe in the essence of the emotion and exhale its energy out. You may picture yourself allowing the emotion to gently dissipate as you breathe. Don't try to push the feelings away. Rather, gently allow them to continue on. You may even try saying goodbye to Angry Sally or Little Fred.